Welcome to my channel. Start. Mumbai. Actor Sahil Khan was arrested on Sunday in connection with his alleged role in the rupees 15,000 crore Mahadev betting app case. Full stop. Khan was produced in a city court and has been sent to police custody till May 1st. A special investigation team of the crime branch nabbed him from a hotel in Jagdalpur, Chhattisgarh. He was brought to Mumbai. Para. Khan, who had been working as a fitness expert, had fled the city on April 24 after his anticipatory bail application was rejected by Bombay High Court and had been dodging the police, constantly changing his location. Gadchiroli in Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Telangana and also Chhattisgarh. Para. A senior Mumbai crime branch officer said Khan was a partner in a betting app firm. Para. He had been promoting the app through social media and had also forged some documents. Full stop. He was asked the explain about the money trail. He did not cooperate in the probe, said the officer.